Experience exceptional cordless light output in a solution built to adapt, perform, and survive in the most demanding job site conditions. The Milwaukee M18 Pivoting Area Light, the versatile floodlight for every task. Designed to be as adaptable as possible, allowing you to stick, clamp, carry, or rotate into any configuration needed for the job at hand. A rotating head easily directs light where you need it, keeping you productive. Its magnetic base sticks to metal surfaces, while a spring-loaded reinforced clamp makes it quick and easy to mount to other job site surfaces. 1,500 lumens of TRUEVIEW high-definition light output gives you natural white light compared to others that use low-cost LEDs. We know that tools on the job take a beating. An impact-resistant exterior that is IP54 rated has been designed to resist dust and water. Milwaukee lighting is built to survive. Milwaukee's high-output lighting adapts, performs, and survives in the most demanding job site conditions.